the material on it, you want to fill those voids like that, okay? So don't leave it void. Now if you're running dry in the middle, notice what I'm doing?
Yeah, you're barely.
I'm leveling it out on the back side and it's pushing some of the resin back to the front. So you do the same thing for this corner where that's dripping.
Yes, sir.
Go this way, that way. Go from here, this way. Just toward the corner. There you go. But you're missing it. You got to move it from here to here. You got to put some pressure at the end or it won't transfer. It's going to set up in just a matter of seconds. See? A little bit more pressure and then you're good. Don't be afraid to jump in there. It's not going to bite you.
Okay.
Alrighty? Leave that nice and saturated and be good. On this side, on the foil, if the foil's sticking out too much, we can always just kind of put a little bit more pressure on it. We're good to go.
Thank you, sir.
Nicely done.